Hi friends, my name is Rohan Chandra. Welcome to today's video where we are talking about 5 factors deciding market direction next week. Nifty has been trading quite flat for the last 8 trading days. It has been moving in a narrow range of 19,600 to 19,900 only. Maybe it was flat since there were no major announcements or news impacting markets last few days. However, the coming week has lot of important announcements. Point number 1, US GDP estimates. On 29 November, that is Wednesday, an estimate of third quarter US GDP growth will be released. This is an important information for Federal Reserve to take decisions about the interest rate. On 1st December, US Federal Reserve Chairman will make a speech along with other officials regarding their opinion about the interest rates and what decision they will take in the coming days. So, very important data which will be released on Wednesday. Point number 2, state election exit polls. One of the most important domestic news in the short term is the exit poll results for the 5 state elections on 30th November. 5 state elections have happened in November in Mizoram, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Rajasthan and Telangana. Based on these results, then we will know which party is likely to win, and based on that we will know how the union elections will fare next year. If the exit polls show a likelihood of any unexpected results, then stock markets could react accordingly. So let us look out for this on 30th November. By evening, most of the exit polls will be released. Point number 3, India GDP figures. Economic growth figures or GDP figures for July to September quarter is scheduled to be released on November 30th. Economists are predicting 6.8 to 7% growth in this quarter. This is lower than the 7.8% growth recorded in April to June 2023 quarter. This will have a significant impact on the market direction and movement. Point number 4, technical analysis levels. Nifty closed at 19,795 on Friday. Nifty 30 days moving average is at approximately 19,470. So currently it is in hold zone for short term. There is a resistance for markets around the 20,000 mark because 20,000 is a psychological mark. It has a support of around 19,600, 19,700 range, so it is unlikely to fall below that in this week. However, if either of these levels are broken, then there is a possibility that further movement will happen in the same direction. So we need to very carefully observe these two support and resistance levels. Accordingly, we will know whether there is more movement in a particular direction. News number 5, international crude oil prices. Global crude oil prices are quite weak for the last few days and it is currently at around $80 per barrel. Lower oil prices is a positive factor for India, especially since it will lower the value of our imports. Also, the profit margin of various companies will be higher and hence lead to a stock market rise if prices of the oil continue to stay low. So very important. In fact, paint companies and various chemical companies have actually appreciated in the last few days because of the fall in the oil prices. The markets could be volatile in the coming week. Many important announcements are likely to be made. It may be a good opportunity for both long-term and short-term investors to take advantage of that. It may continue to trade in a similar range unless and until some news pushes markets in a particular direction. If you like this video, please click the like button, and very interesting quiz question for you. I am asking you, who has never been the Finance Minister of India? Option A, Pranab Mukherjee, B, P. Chidambaram, C. Arun Jaitley and D. L.K. Advani. You type the answer in the comment section, whatever you think is the right answer. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye and all the best.